Imagine a website like a restaurant. When you walk in, you see the beautifully decorated dining room, comfortable seating, and well-presented menus. This is the front end of the restaurant, the part that customers interact with directly. But behind the scenes, there's a bustling kitchen where chefs prepare delicious meals, manage orders, and ensure everything runs smoothly. This is the back end. Just like a restaurant, websites have two essential components: front end and back end. The front end is everything you see and interact with on a web page: the layout, colors, buttons, and text. The back end, hidden from view, powers the website's functionality, storing data, processing requests, and delivering information. Understanding these two sides is key to grasping how websites work and the roles of developers who build them. Let's dive deeper into each side. Front-end development is the art of creating the visual and interactive elements of a website that users experience directly. Think of it as designing and building the restaurant's dining area to be welcoming, aesthetically pleasing, and functional. Front-end developers use a trio of core technologies. HTML, or hypertext markup language, forms the basic structure of web pages, defining elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Think of it as the foundation and walls of the restaurant. CSS, or cascading style sheets, dictates the visual styling of the website, including colors, fonts, layout, and responsiveness across different screen sizes. It's like choosing the paint, furniture, and decorations for the restaurant. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to websites. It handles things like button clicks, form submissions, animations, and fetching data from the back end. JavaScript is like the staff that takes orders, serves food, and interacts with customers. Front-end development focuses on creating a seamless and engaging user experience. It's about making websites visually appealing, easy to navigate, and enjoyable to use. While the front end is all about the user experience, the back end handles the behind-the-scenes operations that make a website functional. It's the engine room that processes information, stores data, and manages requests, much like the kitchen of our restaurant. Back-end development involves technologies like servers, which are powerful computers that host and run the website's files and databases. They are like the kitchen space and equipment. Databases, which are organized collections of data that power a website's features. Whether it's user information, product details, or blog posts, databases store and manage it all. They are like the pantry and refrigerators storing ingredients. APIs, or application programming interfaces, act as messengers between the front end and back end, allowing them to communicate and exchange data. Imagine them as the waiters taking orders from the dining room to the kitchen and bringing back the prepared food. Back-end development ensures that websites work smoothly, data is stored securely, and requests are processed efficiently. It's the backbone that supports the front end's visual presentation. Front-end developers are the architects of user experience. They take design concepts and turn them into functional and interactive web pages. They are like the interior designers who create a welcoming and enjoyable dining experience. Key responsibilities of a front-end developer include building user interfaces. They use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the visual layout, styling, and interactive elements of a website. Ensuring responsiveness. They ensure websites adapt smoothly to different screen sizes, from desktops to tablets to mobile phones, optimizing performance. They make sure websites load quickly and run smoothly, providing a seamless user experience. Collaborating with designers, front-end developers work closely with designers to implement the visual aesthetics and branding of a website. Front-end developers are passionate about creating user-friendly and engaging online experiences. They are constantly learning and adapting to new technologies and trends in web design. Section 5. The Backend Developer, Guardian of Data and Logic. Backend developers are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes to ensure websites function flawlessly. They are the chefs in the kitchen, managing data, processing requests, and keeping everything running smoothly. Key responsibilities of a backend developer include handling server-side logic. They write code that runs on the server, processing data, handling user authentication, and managing other backend operations. Database management is another crucial task. They design, build, and maintain databases, ensuring data is stored securely and accessed efficiently. API development is also a significant part of their role. They create and maintain APIs that allow the front end to communicate with the back end and exchange data. And let's not forget, security implementation. Back-end developers are responsible for implementing security measures to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. Back-end developers are problem solvers with a deep understanding of data structures, algorithms, and server-side technologies. They ensure the smooth and secure operation of websites. Section 6. The bridge between worlds front-end and back-end communication. The front-end and back-end are like two separate but interconnected systems that need to communicate effectively. This communication happens through APIs, the messengers that carry requests and data between the two sides. Think of it like this. When you order food at a restaurant, your order goes to the kitchen through the waiter. The kitchen prepares your meal and sends it back to you through the waiter. Front-end developers use APIs to send requests to the back-end for specific data or actions. The back-end processes these requests and sends back the requested information, which the front-end then displays to the user. This seamless communication is crucial for a website's functionality. Section 7. Two halves. Make a whole. Why both front-end and back-end matter. Front-end and back-end development are two sides of the same coin. One cannot exist without the other, just like a restaurant needs both a beautiful dining area and a functional kitchen to succeed. A visually stunning website with poor back-end functionality will frustrate users with slow loading times, errors, and broken features. Conversely, a powerful back-end with a clunky and unattractive front-end will fail to engage users and convey information effectively. Both front-end and back-end development are equally important for creating a complete and successful website. A strong partnership between front-end and back-end developers is essential for delivering a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Section 8. Looking ahead, the future of web development. The world of web development is constantly evolving. New technologies, frameworks, and approaches emerge regularly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible online. In the future, we can expect to see increased use of artificial intelligence. AI-powered tools will assist developers in tasks like code generation, design optimization, and personalized user experiences. Growth of serverless computing. This approach allows developers to focus on writing code without managing servers, leading to faster development and deployment. Rise of progressive web apps. These web applications offer native app-like experiences with offline capabilities, push notifications, and faster loading times. Staying current with these trends is crucial for both front-end and back-end developers to remain competitive in the ever-evolving landscape of web development. Section 9. Final thoughts, embracing the full stack. Understanding the distinction between front-end and back-end development is essential for anyone interested in the world of web development. Whether you choose to specialize in one area or embrace the challenge of full-stack development, appreciating the interconnectedness of these two domains is key. The future of the web is bright, filled with exciting possibilities. By grasping the fundamentals of front-end and back-end development, you can embark on a rewarding journey of building innovative and engaging online experiences.